Vitamin K. It's important for us all, especially the K2 form. It benefits the heart, metabolism, and it provides numerous benefits for our bones. There's plenty of wonderful foods that we get it from, but more than likely, you aren't absorbing enough to maintain your strong, healthy bones. If you're concerned about maintaining bone strength and healthy bone density, consider adding Mega Vitamin K2 High Potency for Strong Bones to your daily regimen. Our experts developed our formula based on studies that showed that the right kind of vitamin K2 in the right dose can help maintain healthy bone density. The ingredients in Mega Vitamin K2 encourage bone-building cell activity, promote healthy bone mineral density, and even support your cardiovascular health. So, for stronger, healthier bones, choose Mega Vitamin K2 High Potency for Strong Bones from Life Extension.